Hello guys, and welcome back to the Tech YouTube channel again. Today we're looking at the new Cooler Master Nepton 140XL all-in-one closed-loop water cooling solution. This is a completely new series from Cooler Master of their closed-loop water cooling, and they are promising on that right from the start. On the front of the box you'll face off with some key features like the greater surface area for better heat dissipation, durable FAP tubing, included two Cooler Master JetFlow 140mm fans, and of course a poser picture of the Nepton 140XL. On the back of the box you will come across on some more informations like the raw performance testing comparison with Nepton 280L and 140XL versus Intel's stock cooler under load of Intel's 4770K. On the top and on the side of the box you will find a list of compatible sockets for it, as well as some specifications of the fans. Let's open up the box. For starters, here are some user manuals, a plastic bag with all the necessary parts for installation on different sockets, here are both fans in one package, and of course, once we pull it all out of the plastic bags, the Nepton 140XL itself. The overall design is pretty much common, nothing out of the ordinary. Radiator is 140mm in diameter, which makes a greater surface for better dissipation than the 120mm radiator. Although we don't have any official number, the aluminum fins look to be very dense, as you can see. The thickness of the radiators is also greater compared to the older Sidon series. The FAP tubing, although visually not that good looking, got longer and thicker. The best practical feature of it is that it's very flexible. On the top of the radiator you will find a valve for pulling out the pre-filled coolant. On the bottom part of the radiator there is a second compartment for the coolant to overflow through the whole system. Following down the tubes, we come across to the 3-watt pump as well as the block that goes onto the CPU. That pump and that block combined are pretty tall compared to other all-in-one solutions. We pulled off the protective cover and took a closer look of the CPU base. The finish on the copper base looks really rough on first, but if you take a closer look, it's pretty decent. As we said before, with this model came two 140mm fans that go on the radiator. Their specifications are pretty decent, from up to 120 CFM and 3.5mm air pressure to a pretty quiet operation from as low as 21 dB to topped out 39 dB. On each corner of the fan you will find rubber padding which have pretty high friction, as you can see from this example in the video. Fans are meant to be installed in push-pull configuration for optimal performance. Except the necessary screws that you'll need to install them, you get a fan splitter, so you'll only occupy the CPU fan header on the motherboard. As you can see, the installation didn't take too long, you'll be up and running in no time. Thank you guys once again for checking out the unboxing of the Cooler Master Nepton 140XL, a closed-loop CPU water cooling solution. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, leave a comment if you have any questions about the product, and of course subscribe to our Tech YouTube channel for more content like this, or be sure to check out our other video unboxings from before.